Hey guys, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Owen here. Just a little bit more about the digital euro because I had a bit more to say yesterday before I got cut off, ran out of time basically. The digital euro is going to be private anyway. They're promising, the ECB is promising that the digital euro will be a CBDC, central bank digital currency, but it will be private. So the ECB will have no way of knowing, of identifying you when you make a payment, basically buy a sweater or a shirt in a store. The ECB will have no way of identifying that it was you who bought the particular item. But what's the difference then between the digital euro, we'll say, and Bitcoin? Bitcoin is decentralized, and Bitcoin, the key difference is that Bitcoin has a fixed limited supply of 21 million coins. Whereas with the digital euro, there's no limit to how many digital euros can be out there. The banks will continue to create euros when they lend, basically. I explained this a few weeks ago, but every time the bank, a commercial bank in the EU, makes a loan, they're creating new currency units, new euros. And that will continue irrespective of what the digital euro and as a CBDC brings. So there will still be inflation, and the way inflation works, some parts of some sectors, some industries and sectors experience higher inflation than others at different times. Basically, the rate of inflation is not constant throughout the economy, the Eurozone economy. It affects different sectors at different periods of time, basically. So sometimes you'll have construction, construction rising and energy rising, we'll say, and then other times you'll have food and clothing and transportation, we'll say, and insurance maybe. They take turns basically at rising. This is what constitutes the rate of inflation, and this is why the rate of inflation is so low. Many people, commentators say, "Oh, that can't be true." But you see, some parts of the economy experience deflation too at particular moments in time. But anyway, back to the digital euro. The digital euro will be inflationary, and that cannot be avoided. And it expedites basically the demise of the euro, in my view, and the success of Bitcoin, the prominence of Bitcoin, the emergence of Bitcoin as a payment method. And people will increasingly want to be paid in Bitcoin, I think, because it's a superior form of money. Like, share and subscribe, guys, if you'd like to see more videos like this.